I'm Mrs. Pike, and I'm one of your reading teachers, and today we're going to read a book called A Little Spot Learns Online. It's a story about virtual classroom expectations. I'm sorry, my phone's going off. I'm waiting on someone to call me. It's written and illustrated by Diane Alber. So this is the front cover. It has the title, which is A Little Spot Learns Online. It has the author and the illustrator, and it has an illustration. And can you spy a little spot? Where is he? I want you to touch the screen where he is. Yeah, there's a little spot right there. And he's learning online. What is he using? He's using a laptop or Chromebook. And oh, look, there's the sound, or there's the little symbol for mute. And then it's a battery charging, but then here's paper and pencil, because we're still going to be using some paper and pencil even though we're learning online. So we're going to follow along with Little Spot while he learns how to learn online like we're going to be doing. So again, this is the front cover. This is the spine, back cover, and let's find that title page. Here's the title page, because here's the title again. A Little Spot Learns Online, a story about virtual classroom expectations. Hi, my name is Spot. I hear you are going to start learning online, and I am here to help. How nice of him. That's great. Learning online is new for us, so any tips would be helpful. So here are the kids Little Spot's talking to, and he's going to help them. Absolutely! Learning virtually or online is like learning at school, but it just feels a little different. So here's school. A school bus, crossing guard, people coming to school in a car, walking, riding a bike. So that shows the different ways we get to school. Instead of learning in a physical classroom at school with all your friends, you'll be learning on a computer in a virtual classroom at home. You will still see your teacher and all the kids in your class, and they will be able to see you too. So you definitely don't want to be in your pajamas. Joining a virtual class is like going to school, so you should wear something comfortable and appropriate. So do we think his pajamas are appropriate? No. So it looks like he chose the red shorts and the white shirt to wear. This will help you get your mind ready to learn and help you stay on schedule too. Eat before you join your class online. You don't want to have a grumbling stomach when you're trying to learn. Eating while you're in a virtual classroom can be a distraction, not only to you, but to your teacher and classmates too. Don't worry, your teacher will have scheduled snack breaks. Those are our brain breaks. That's when you can have your snack, and then we have lunch in the middle of the day. Looks like he's eating cereal, and his sister's eating, or the little girl's eating a donut or a bagel. Be organized and prepared. You should avoid getting up and leaving your classroom session. Having a water bottle nearby is a great idea in case you get thirsty. But you might want to get a grown-up's permission for that, because we don't want to spill our water bottles or our drinks and get it on the technology. So ask your grown-up about that. Make sure you have the school supplies that your teacher recommends in close reach as well, like eraser, pencil, paper, notebook, book. Stuff from your students' start pack. Don't forget to go potty before you join your virtual class. Find a good place to sit. You might want to sit on the floor or the couch, but this can get uncomfortable. When you are uncomfortable, you move around a lot. Try sitting on a chair. This will help you stay upright and focused. If you don't have a desk chair, a dining room chair works too. That's where I worked during the spring virtual learning at my dining room table. Create a quiet space. A place with few distractions can make learning easier. And look behind you. Teachers and students can see what is in the background of your computer camera, so make sure it is appropriate too. So it says off. You want the TV off, you want the radio off. You don't want your siblings or friends going crazy behind you. Now, look around you. Make sure all your toys are put away. All the food is out of reach, and any pets are in another room. My dog Rusty can get really loud, and I often had to put him in another room so that the barking wouldn't disrupt my teaching. Always try to be on time. When you are on time, it shows respect for your teacher and that you are responsible. And your grown-ups can help you be on time following the schedule that's in your Google Classroom. Sometimes there can be technical problems, so always try to join a virtual class 5 minutes early. This way, an adult can help make sure your computer is fully charged, your camera works, and your microphone is muted. So that's what that symbol means. Your computer's charged and that your camera works. I have all those things ready for virtual learning. Now, you are ready to learn. You will be able to learn the best when your eyes are watching, when your ears are listening, when your mouth is quiet, when your back is upright and not slouching, and when your hands are relaxed. When you have something to say, make sure that you raise your hand and wait your turn. Also be sure your microphone is turned on so your teacher and classmates can hear you. So when it's your turn to talk, you can turn your microphone on so we can hear you. Wow, you are both working so hard. I hope I've helped make this experience a little easier. I can't wait to see how much you learn and how much fun you have with online learning. And here are some other Little Spot books. So Little Spot taught us a lot about online learning. He taught us how to be prepared and responsible and get the most out of it. So I want you to think about what we saw in this story, about what he taught us, and I want you to draw a picture of one thing you learned from Little Spot about how to be ready for online learning. So it could be that you need to be dressed appropriately. It could be that you need to eat before, or that you need to be prepared, having like your water, or snacks, or your supplies around. It could be that you need to go potty before. It could be that you need to have a good place to sit. It could be that you have to have a quiet place and a place that doesn't have distractions behind you. It could be that your toys need to be put away, that the food is out of reach, that your pets are in a different room. It could be that you need to be on time, or that you should be early so you can check to make sure that your computer's charged and your camera's on and your microphone is on mute. So I want you to think about what Little Spot taught you about online learning and how to be ready, and I want you to draw a picture about one of those, and you can rewatch this video if you need to. So draw a picture of one thing you can do to be ready for online learning, and then your grown-up will send that picture to me. All right, thanks. Bye.